Good morning, students. So yesterday I have tell you about the half-life cycle. Today I am going to tell you about half-life cycle in a first order reaction. So in a zero order reaction, it may say as A naught upon 2K. The reaction is completed. In a first order, it is said to be 0.693 upon K. This one coming in the numericals. Now, lifetime of reaction, time in which reaction completes in 100%, that is said to be the lifetime. So here we have taken T is equals to T half life and A is equals to 0. We are putting a formula here. T is equals to 2.303 log A naught upon A. So what will happen? First order never, write it in a note, first order never completes to 100%. It may complete at infinite time also. A graph is given to you. A graph shows the tan theta. After that, on the one side, so here a graph shows tan theta is equals to K with the rate and concentration of A. This graph is rate versus concentration of time, and on one side there is a table that tell to be us about half-life. Now second graph is there, that is equals to R is equals to A naught key E minus KT with respect to time. So rate versus time, what will happen? Rate decrease with time by A is equals to A naught E minus KT. That is said to be the Arrhenius equation. So now today I am going to start first order reaction. In a first order reaction, A is equals to give the product. A is a reactant here. So what will be the formula here? Rate of reaction, that is ROR, is equals to small r is equals to K A minus A1. So a rate is equals to R is equals to minus 1 upon dA upon dt. dA upon dt, why we have taken? Because it is a small quantity, that's why. Minus 1 upon 1 dA upon dt is equals to Ka, that is coming from the value of formula. Put A on both the sides. We have put it a A, it becomes as 2A upon A is equals to minus K dt. Now integration we have to do. When we are doing the integration, what will happen? dA upon A is equals to K dt. It is coming in a integration form. What now? T is equals to 0 we have taken, and T is equals to T we have taken, and A naught we have taken, that is the initial concentration. A is equals to A, that is a remaining concentration. So in a integration, dA upon A we are using A upon A naught minus K dt we are using T upon 0. Now integration starts. As we have studied in the physics, same here also integration is there. Integration of dA upon A is coming as log E A naught upon A naught is equals to minus K. So here minus K T0. So what will happen when we find out the log? Log A minus log E A naught is equals to minus K T minus 0. Overall the integration coming as log A is equals to log A naught minus KT. This is the equation which we are using in the numericals. After this we are using a base. Base we are using in a log 10. So log x is equals to 2.303 log, it is 2.303 log 10x. Log A change into base 10. So here 2.303 log 10a is equals to 2.303 log 10a naught minus kt. Now divide this thing by 2.303. When we are dividing, it comes as log 10a is equals to log 10a naught minus kt upon 2.303. Now this is integrated rate law. As we are making the graph, we are making a graph with a tan theta. Slope formation takes place in a theta, so it comes as minus k upon 2.303. And the integration takes place by log upon time. So log A is equal log A concentration with time, and log 10A is equals to minus kt upon 2.303 log 10 A naught. So here if we find out with the x and y, so what we have to find out? Y is equals to mx plus c. Now there is other forms to find out the numericals also. First one we have studied, log 10 A naught minus log 10 A is equals to kt upon 2.303. So in this one, t is came as 2.303 upon k log 10 A naught upon A. A naught is the initial concentration and A is the remaining concentration, and K is a rate constant. These things we are using in the numericals. Second one, we have to take in the above equation which we have completed as before. So we have taken a above equation, that is log A is equals to log A naught minus kt. So log kt come on a one side, so it is coming as a minus. Log A upon A naught is equals to minus kt. Overall it is coming as A upon A naught is equals to E minus kt, and A is equals to A naught E minus kt, where E is the exponential and K is the constant and T is the time. So this is said to be the remaining initial concentration is exponential form, which is coming in the numericals. Now after this we are solving some problem with the numericals. Here graph is given for us. So here in a graph we have taken t is equals to 0 and a is equals to a naught. T we have using as a infinite also, and a is equals to 0. So when the graph formation takes place, it goes on decreasing in Arrhenius equation. The Arrhenius equation is said to be a is equals to a naught E minus kt. So here concentration of reactant versus time. The graph is formation takes place with these two things, concentration versus with time, and value exponential form will decrease with time. Okay. At last I would like to say a is equals to a naught E minus kt. This is also used in the numericals. Thank you students and have a nice day, and these all things please write down in your copies.